Inkampani yeebhasi zikawonke-wonke i-Putco inike ingxelo yokusebenza ngexesha lepasika ngaphandle kweengozi endleleni iminyaka emibini ilandelelana. Ixesha leehambo zepasika ingakumbi eziya-Moria nakweminye imisitho yeeCawa zibangela ukuxinana kwezithuthi endleleni kwaye zandise amathuba engozi. Okanye ke i-Putco ithi embindini wokuxakeka kweendlela zelizwe ngeli xesha lonyaka ikhuphe iibhasi zayo ezingaphezulu kwama-700 kwaye ezinikwe kwimeko efanelekileyo ukuba sendleleni uqinisekisa ukuba abahambi baya kwaye babuya bekhuselekile epasikeni.
We're happy as Putco to announce 2 years in the running of 0 accidents during our Easter operations, reinforcing our commitment to safe and reliable transport during one of the country's busiest periods. This year's operation ran smoothly with only minor issues such as tire punctures, low battery cases from lights being left on at red stops, and a few loose mirrors due to strong winds. All of these incidents were quickly resolved without affecting the overall journey and ordinary traffic. This success is driven by a comprehensive plan including spare buses along key routes, roving mechanical teams, tow trucks for quick responses to any bus that is blocking traffic, and compulsory stops every 200 kilometers to manage driver fatigue. We also want to thank the Department of Transport and Community Safety in Limpopo, as well as the media for their support in amplifying the message of road safety. Putco also maintained all scheduled services with full operations continuing as normal on Tuesday.